कितना भी सीख लो थोड़ा बहुत इसमें रहता ही रहता है।
Hi, good morning. My name is Sagar Kumar and I'm back with another vlog. Today we are going to Chandni Chowk to purchase some items. My family is with me, my younger brother and my mother. Mummy, say hi to this camera. मम्मी आप कहाँ जा रही हो?
मैं दिल्ली जा रही हूँ। नहीं चांदनी चौक जा रही हूँ, मैं दिल्ली में हूँ, सॉरी, मैं चांदनी चौक जा रही हूँ।
तो क्या लेने जा रही है आप वहाँ पे?
बस थोड़ी शॉपिंग करनी है।
तो दोस्तों, after a long time I'm going to Chandni Chowk with my family. Though I never planned to go there, but when something is required urgently, then only I go there. So today we are going to purchase some edible items from there and some other things. So we'll go and explore the almost all places of Chandni Chowk. We'll see all the shops, different shops and different things there. So we'll see and explore much and much there. Okay. Though I do not know much more about the Chandni Chowk, that how all the routes of Chandni Chowk and the ways where we can get the things easily. But my brother knows everything, so that's why I go with my brother or my father, because they have the idea that from where we can get the things. So, but I am learning. Maybe one day I can go there by my own, and I can explore the things. So yeah, let's wait for a few more minutes and we'll soon be there. And today I could not do reading in the morning, so I'll do that in the evening. And there are some exercises that I do, and so we'll do all of that once I come back from my destination. And so yeah, it feels so good when you go on traveling with the family and you enjoy the trip, especially when you have some kind of foods with you that you can enjoy during traveling. So I'll make sure to have something when we explore there, because that's what gives you some energy, right? And yeah, it feels so good. And when you do the work all day long, you get stressed, you feel so much strain in the body, your mind does not work properly, so it's good for you to do some refreshment and just enjoy the beauty of the nature. Okay, so that's why I'll plan to go on some other places as well, maybe in the coming weeks. And I'll keep on recording the video just to make sure that you also go with me wherever I go, so you can also experience the beauty that I'm going to explore there. Okay, so I live here in Ganesh Park, nearby the Rasid Market in Krishnanagar. So from there on I'm going to Chandni Chowk metro station. So there we have the the very big market. You can almost get everything there. But sometimes the owners they take the huge money from the people, because they are not aware how much the cost the item exactly is having. Sometimes when you have idea that how much this item is going to cost you, then they might not they might not, we can say, tug you in that way. So yeah, just wait for a few more minutes, we'll soon be there, and then I'll show you all the things which I'm going to do today. And I think within 3 hours we will come back, but these 3 hours are going to be the best hours of today, and we are going to enjoy it today. Okay, so it's going to be the small mini vlog for me. And I hope you remember last time when my sister was with me and my mother. That time also I recorded one video when we were going to EOD Park, and today we are going to some other destination. And yeah, it's quite it's quite giving me some kind of good feeling. Okay, goodbye, I'll see you tomorrow. Have a nice day, Jai Hind.